Ciao umani, l'incontro del 2004 con lo UAP Tic Tac è ormai iconico, ce lo ricordiamo tutti, vero? Tuttavia Jeremy Corbell e George Knapp hanno pubblicato un nuovo video UFO girato nel 2023 a bordo della nave USS Jackson, una nave da combattimento litoranea classe Independence, che è stata progettata per operazioni costiere e oceaniche ed è stata dismessa nel 2024. I membri dell'equipaggio hanno osservato 4 oggetti volanti non identificati UAP a forma di Tic Tac. Uno di questi è emerso dall'acqua e ha preso il volo, dimostrando capacità transmediali, e cioè passaggio da aria ad acqua senza segni visibili di propulsione. I testimoni riferiscono che tutti e 4 gli oggetti sono decollati simultaneamente in maniera sincronizzata, confermando la continuità e la ricorrenza del fenomeno nella stessa area geografica, e suggerendo che chiunque li stia pilotando è ancora attivo nei pressi della costa californiana. Un membro dell'equipaggio ha fornito testimonianza visiva dell'emersione degli oggetti dall'acqua. Restate incollati fino alla fine perché ascolterete una testimonianza diretta dalla voce di un militare presente durante l'evento. Il racconto evidenzia la sincronia e la scomparsa improvvisa degli UAP dai radar subito dopo l'avvistamento. I video potrebbero essere stati rilasciati ora perché la nave è stata dismessa, rendendo così più semplice la divulgazione di materiale sensibile legato alla missione. Ma prima di proseguire vi chiedo di iscrivervi se ancora non l'avete fatto e lasciare un like per spingere il contenuto nella piattaforma. Ma non perdiamoci in chiacchiere e andiamo subito a guardare il filmato.
So, basically, in 2023, the U.S. Navy encountered 4 Tic Tac shaped UAP off the coast of California. One is kind of featured because that's what it punches into in this footage. And it's personnel from the USS Jackson in the Combat Information Center that filmed it. One of the vehicles of unknown origin was observed exiting the water. So we'll talk about that. Not on the camera. This is how it got sighted in the first place. They're up on the bridge and someone sees a craft come up out of the water, almost like doing a systems check, just slowly rising up out of the water. And then it transitioned directly into flight, which is, demonstrating kind of what on your Netflix show it showed, which is true transmedium capability, moving from water to air and maybe beyond seamlessly. And you'll see there's no flight control surfaces. There's no conventional propulsion signatures like heat plumes, exhaust. The UAPs were detected and observed. This is very fascinating in an instantaneous synchronized departure, like all 4 of them. We know it's not camera artifacts, which we'll get into later. And look, again, the operator, the purpose, the capability, the origin, the intent are all unknown. And these craft, what we're about to show you, is a true UAP. It's an unidentified object.
I think we should play the video, and our listeners, our audience, should pay attention to the reactions of crew members when they're seeing this in real time. We'll play it through, and then we'll take a look at it again.
USS team. Yeah, like 22,000 feet.
That shit took off earlier.
You call it the VVSS team. Yeah, like 22,000 feet.
That shit took off earlier.
The following is a witness interview of the USS Jackson UAP encounter.
We only see lights because it's at nighttime. It's always at nighttime. But to see the lights emerging from water. So I go out to the bridge wing. I'm noticing things and lights on the horizon and like city lights or any other ships that are out there. So seeing a light that is lifting up, you can see it. I know the difference between a light on the horizon coming up and a light coming out of the water. When you've been on the water more in your life than you haven't been, you know the difference. This thing was coming up and I wasn't shocked that I was seeing it. I was shocked I was sharing the experience. Us looking at the same exact display of sapphire. But when we start talking about all of the objects, all four objects, and what we witnessed was all four of them, all in synchronous, jetting off into the abyss. All four, all timed together, and all left. And we were like, holy shit. And they were all, maybe the second they left, maybe 3-4 seconds pass, I run to my station and I look at my radar and they're all gone. They're all off radar. And I was like, that's it. They all zoomed off. But it's clear that they're in communication with one another and synchronized, like 3, 2, 1 countdown, let's all go type thing, unless there's some level of like one entity is controlling all four and then they all leave at the same time. But yeah, they all left exactly at the same time.
E voi cosa ne pensate? Si tratta di extraterrestri o di tecnologia retroingegnerizzata? Fatemelo sapere in un commento e ricordatevi che in questo viaggio non siete da soli. Un abbraccio, Sax.